It is recommended for touring because it is pretty compactly assembled and the weight is light. Because deployment and withdrawal can be done easily. It is not necessary to assemble like a wisdom ring. The tends to be compact. It is perfect for use with pawn cotton ultra light fit chair.
When making it is assembled, it clicks even if something heavy is put on it. It is solid and it is not shaky, especially when you can put taut items. It is safe.
The classic regular version roll table M3713 is compact and good, but to be honest it is too low to use easily. It will be a backstopping work. In the summer we get wet with vegetables. And in autumn and winter it suffers dust. This is not inconsistent even when combined with chair. One of Helinock just fine if you cook for yourself. Core is more comfortable. I think that it is worth even if you spend more than double.